Hey guys, welcome back to Blog Talk, the series where I take my blog posts off the page and bring them to life on YouTube.
I belong to you.
Today we're exploring how expert consulting services can unlock your brand's full potential and take it to the next level. Expert brand consulting isn't just about giving advice. It's about partnering with you to develop a clear vision, refine your message, and create a strategy that drives real results. But what exactly should you expect from working with a brand consultant? First, expect a deep dive into your current brand, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This audit helps identify where your brand stands and where it can improve. Customized strategy development. Next, you'll get a tailored strategy aligned with your business goals. This includes refining your brand voice, messaging, visual identity, and marketing tactics designed specifically for your audience. Implementation support. Consultants don't just hand over a plan and leave. Many provide ongoing support, helping implement the strategy through content creation, campaign management, and performance tracking. Measuring success and optimization. Finally, expect regular check-ins and performance analysis. This ensures your brand strategy stays effective and evolves with market changes. If you want to unlock your brand's true potential with expert guidance, web content development is ready to help. Our team combines experience and creativity to deliver brand consulting services that make a difference. Click the link in the description to learn more about how WCD can elevate your brand. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this useful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to catch all future episodes of Blog Talk. See you next time.